Yusuf Ullah was born and raised at Ramban Nagri Sembilan. His father Qasim, who is the second generation snake charmer, trained him at the age of 6. Later in his teenage era, his brothers and uncle coached him. They always brought Yusuf Ullah alongside with them for snake shows, although he is a teenager. Since Yusuf Ullah is a fast learner, soon he became expert in handling snakes. His dangerous act with the snakes always amazed the audience. Yusuf Ullah also specialized in playing pangi, an instrument to hypnotize a snake. Soon after his studies at Malaysia, Yusuf Ullah migrated and settled at Singapore. Thus, this legacy was established at Singapore. He is the one and only snake celebrity in Singapore. The locals admire his extraordinary skill at snake shows. Yusuf traveled to many countries as Thailand, Indonesia, and Malaysia to perform his snake charming skill. Yusuf Ullah did various of snake shows around Singapore. Besides his dangerous act with this venomous reptile, he also organized many snake education programs to the Singaporean. It teaches how to protect and the safety precaution when snake attack. Yusuf Ullah is well known by the politicians and VIPs in Singapore. The local media always covered his latest updates. Yusuf Ullah still active in snake charming legacy.
Hi, I'm Muhammad Yusuf bin Muhammad Qasim from Singapore, well known as a Singapore Snake King, Yusuf Ullah. I started my snake charming from 1970, that time I was 6 years old, until now 2021. The person who guide me, my beloved father, my 2 brothers, my uncle and my brother-in-law. So he over people in my line to teach me how to become a snake charmer. I start my career 1970. So all the way to 1979. After 79, my father passed away. Then 1980, I take over as a snake charming until now, 2021. So I'm doing as a solo performance everywhere in Singapore, Malaysia, Sabah, Sarawak, Thailand and Indonesia. I'm the one and only in Singapore doing a snake charming performance everywhere and every places. Singaporeans love my performance because it is very unique, education and entertaining to the public to enjoy, to see and smile all the time. Yeah. Okay, this kind of kingdom are very naughty, okay? They're very naughty snake. Uncle Yusof, bring up and show to me. Uncle Yusof, bring up and show me how the kingdom are. Okay. You see, this one is a very long one, okay? So now, you go back. My biggest achievement in snake charming, I was doing in Singapore. Is in the Muhammadiyah Welfare Home. It's an acrylic show. So I put a 50 over snakes. Then I spend my time for 3 days. Then other than that, I do one more thing in Taman Ular, Malaysia. It's a Malaysia Open. So competition with the many people from Malaysia take part. So from there, I also going to take part from Singapore. I get number 3rd over there. So it's a very big thing for me. I would like to advise to coming up snake charmer. When you do the shows or whatever this thing, please take care and be alert in your performance and be safe all the time when you're doing a show. Thank you for watching this video clip.
In the next episode, we are going to find out about Snake Brothers who handled another dangerous reptile beside venomous snakes. Stay tuned with us.